What's up guys, ViperFPV here, and today is the day of the giveaway for the Emacs Tinyhawk 2 bundle. It comes with the goggles, comes with the Tinyhawk 2, comes with the controller and all that. But right before we get to picking who wins this giveaway, if you check out my shirt, these are some awesome designs I came up with for a shirt. And I only have about 15 of these shirts, so if you want to help support the channel, help support me, and pick up one of my shirts and kind of just wear them, go ahead and email me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com, and I can make arrangements to ship these out to you. They're $10 each plus shipping, so just let me know. But let's go ahead and get over to the giveaway and see who wins the Tinyhawk 2 bundle. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get to this giveaway and copy this link in here. Let's go ahead and paste that in there and load the comment section up. We do have 392 comments. I think I might have replied to one person, so it might not be exact. I know I did approve all the comments that were pending. So go ahead and randomly pick a winner. Big B 69 Ti looks so fun. I want to get into FPV. It looks like you are the winner of the Tinyhawk 2 bundle. So go ahead and email me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com and we'll make arrangements to get this shipped out to you. I'm going to go ahead and copy his name in here because we're going to go ahead and pick a runner-up just in case he does not contact me. So at least somebody will get a hold of this prize. So the runner-up, if he doesn't contact me, is going to be Emil Gabriel. Looks really good. This what would be nice to win. So it looks like you are the runner-up just in case Big B 69 Ti does not contact me. Well, everybody else, good luck on another giveaway. I'll probably be doing another giveaway soon because the channel is really close to 5,000 subscribers. If you do want to check out the Tinyhawk 2 bundle and see how it performs, I did do a review of it, so I'll leave that down in the video description. And again, about the shirts, I only have a limited amount of supply. I have these in medium, large, extra large, and I believe 2X as well. So go ahead and email me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com. But to everybody else, thank you, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.